He loves it. It drives me crazy. Just loves rolling in the dirt. It's always into like sandy stuff too, man. Comes back with his fur all chalky. Proud of himself. Look at how dirty he is. I guess we're gonna do how you bathe a cat video. Huh, Felix? We're gonna do a how you bathe the cat video. Yes, we are. Don't you tell me no. He's a dirty kitty. Late, it's not good enough, Felix. You're getting a bath. I don't care how much, you can't eat all that dirt, dude. It's not good enough. I'm telling you, I'm giving you a bath. Whether you like it or not, you're getting a bath. So this box is all fire agate. Lots of white chalcedony on top. This is what I consider massive. This piece doesn't look like it might not have any fire in it. And with pieces like this big, you just can't tell. You need to grind into them and see how close you can get until you start seeing something that looks like fire in it. That's the same with almost all this stuff in here. If a piece doesn't appear to have any color in it, it's totally slabbable to cut cabochons out of, especially a piece that's like of this size. But this has a big chalcedony rose on it, and you never tell what's in between the layers, man. Like, you could totally have some dope piece of fire agate inside here. And I mean, a gemstone is small. This is very large. But this is what I consider my lowest grade of rough fire agate. This definitely has fire agate in it. So there's definitely fire agate in this piece. Pour it in there. What, Sheba? Want some love? Another piece that's in that box. Definitely has the right look. So Felix has just been allowed to be outside way too often. When he's inside, he complains to be outside until he falls asleep pretty much. He's walking around the house bitching, because he wants outside right now. What he doesn't know is he's about to get a bath. Yep. This guy is so gray and so nasty and so dirty that you can taste dirt when you pet him right now. And he's just been rolling in the dust and the mud. So I'm gonna show you how I bathe cats, and neither of my cats like this shit. They don't like it. It's scary for them. But that's because it didn't happen when they were young, and it didn't happen often. And look how gray he is. Look, you can already tell there's some shit going on as you look at the way he's looking at him. He's like, oh fuck, this is not good. Bucket, water receptacle. And, I'm gonna clean my bucket first real fast. All right, so I'm gonna fill the bucket with water, and the water needs to be like water for a baby, lukewarm, like not warm, not cold, not shocking in any way. And I'm gonna fill the bucket all the way up. I know. See, he knows. Don't want to, he already knows what's going on when I go locking the door and stuff. Come on, Felix. Come here, Bubba. Come on. I know. You've done this before. It's just been a while, right? So I put my soap on him first because the soap makes the water actually hit the fur. Otherwise, when you go to put the water on, it just sort of goes off of my cat. Now the sounds of the water running are a big deal. It's a much bigger deal than having to hear all of that on top of everything else. Good boy, Felix. You're doing so good. I know. I know it sucks. I know you're mad. Yeah, I know. It's okay. I know. Now, you know, you're out there rolling in dirt. It's okay. No, he doesn't like bass. No, he's not one of those weird cats that likes bass. He hates this shit. Come on, Felix. You don't want to be doing this at all, do you, buddy? Oh, I got you. It's okay. It's okay. Stay here. I know it's upsetting. It's okay. Yeah, it's the sound of a kitty in distress, huh? Look at all that dirt that's washing off of you, though. It's okay. It's okay. You're doing really good, Felix. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. Look, we can't get out. I didn't mean to throw that. Oh, I'm sorry, man. I'm used to working with something much smaller than this. Come here. I know. You just slimed the shit out of me. He's got me super wet, buddy. You don't understand how much dirt you have coming off you right now. I know. I know. Shit, this was the wrong way to do this. I know, Felix. I know. Stay out. Look at all that water running clean off you now, though. We just got the top half to do. It's almost done. We're almost done. Ooh, gosh, your tail is still really gross. We're almost done, Felix. We're almost done, buddy. Now I gotta do the worst part. I know. Ooh, you scared me. I'm sorry. You scared me, Bubba. Come here. Come here. I know you're scared. I know. You're doing so good. Yeah, you're doing so good. Almost done. Make sure all the soap is off of you. We're almost there. You're there. Hold on, let me squeeze you off a little bit more. You're still a soaking wet rag because you've got such long hair. But you're so much cleaner now, buddy. All right, we're all done. Come here. We're all done, Mr. Felix. It's okay, buddy. I know. He's hiding in here. Now, I know he seemed like he was really upset by it. He doesn't like baths. I haven't seen very many cats that really do like baths. But every now and then, if you have to bathe your cat, one of the worst things I've noticed you can do is have a lot of running water. That the running water, the sound of it, makes everything worse for the cats. And although this seemed like he was really unhappy, this is nowhere near as bad as it can be trying to bathe a cat. I guess I need to get a new phone because all of these other clips that I recorded have none of the things I was saying in them. So now I'm trying to do a voiceover to cover for them when I'm sure I said something that was way more interesting than what I'm saying right now. But here he is, clean and happy, all the trauma gone, having fun playing with my foot. He likes to do this every now and then. Depending on how sharp his claws are will depend on how long this goes for. And I knew we were going to be going on a trip soon, so I also gave Sheba a bath. And she's mad she had to get her bath. She did a really good job. She did way better than Felix did. He did way more crying. She just grumbled a little bit the whole time and held onto my arm like she was trying to get out and stood there and let me bathe her. She makes all these sounds. But she's a squeaky kitty with a smoky voice. She's a big old sweetheart. Somebody buys a couple of nice stones, I like to hook them up with a stone that I don't want to sell because it's below the quality of what I really want to be putting out, or I would have sold, really cheap or something. And so that's what that stone, I think I would have sold for like $80 or something, but it's very typical for what you see in fire agate compared to most of my other stones like these ones. They're not normally what you see in fire agate. Yeah. Adventures outdoors with the kitties at a rest area in Florida.